Guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I've just left work and I've got some car parts that have arrived which I'm going to be installing myself onto the G20. So I'm now on my way to go and see my friends at Rappart, who have kindly allowed me to use their unit once again to get my parts fitted, and while I'm there they're also going to be wrapping the mirrors in gloss black. So I'm about 20 minutes away from Rappart, so what I'm going to do is quickly go home, get a change of clothes and see you guys at Rappart. So I've just arrived at my second home, which is Rappart. The G20 is right there, and we're going to go today and install the side skirts, and I'm also having the mirror caps wrapped in gloss black. So some of the work's already started, so just follow us through here. These are the side skirts which I've kind of picked up, and I'll link them in the description below. They're pretty much like an OEM fitting. So yeah, you just stick them on with some 3M tape, and then you just put some soft tappers through as well. So we'll cover the whole kind of process here. And also what we're going to be doing is we're going to be wrapping these wing mirrors in black just to set the car off. I think it's going to look absolutely brilliant once all the kit is on, and once we got these wrapped up as well. So really excited to see how it's going to look. We've already got one of the Rappart guys at work, so yeah, let's just crack on and take from there. What do you guys think of this colour on the M4? Maybe I should have mine done like that as well. Leave a comment in the comments below. Is that a G63 over there? Let's go on a quick look. G-Wagon, eh? So the idea is that we're going to put the side skirt on from the rear end on this side all the way across. We're going to hoist it up with the 3M tape, and then we're going to put some soft tappers through as well just to hold it up so that it doesn't really fall off. So yeah, that's what we're going to do now. So let's just crack on. So before we go ahead and stick this on with the 3M, we need to use some 70% alcohol just to clean off the bottom end of the sill there, so that there's no kind of horrible sort of dust or grime or anything like that. So that's the first thing I'm going to do, is go ahead and give that a nice sort of scrub down, and then attack that onto the side of the car. now it's a few days on from the time I was at Rapport getting the stuff done. I just got a bit busy and my battery died as well on my camera, so I couldn't really finish off everything at Rapport in terms of the vlog. So I just thought I'll come back out here and show you what's been done. And I'll be honest, the finished article on the G20 looks absolutely amazing. These side skirts, guys, I've linked them in the description below, so definitely do check them out. I just want to give a huge shout out to Rapport for always accommodating me in the unit, giving me a space to work on my car, and also the work that they've done on the wing mirrors in terms of wrapping them in black. The car is complete. I'm going to be doing a full modifications vid. That might be my next vid that might be coming out in next couple of weeks or so. So do stay tuned for that, where I'll list out everything that's been done to the G20 to get it to this point. But for now, we're gonna go and have a quick look around the car in terms of how it looks. So I hope you found this video useful and informative. Definitely check out the link for those parts in the description if you're interested in getting those side skirts put onto your car. I am honestly so made up with the way the car is looking right now, because without those side skirts it was looking just that little bit bare, but right now it's just fully complete. If you have found this video useful, then definitely give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel, because that keeps me motivated to do more stuff to the G20 and to the M4 as well. So hopefully guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, bye.